I want to show you another great product for anybody wanting to film and shoot videos and pictures for inside, outside, whatever you want, is this Viewflex. It is so simple and easy to set up. You know, you've got your stand that you can put your lights, your microphone, another phone. You know, it's versatile to everything that you got. Here's your manual book. Very easy pictorial directions inside, and tells you everything that you get. You also get your warranty card. These little fresh packs are important because it keeps your stuff from being damaged and messed up through shipping and storage. So that's important in there. This is a nice foamy package that this comes in, and the lid comes off. Great for storaging and later, and keeping everything in good place. When you take it out of the box, this is the way you're going to hold it to install everything. It's got a plastic thing on here. You know, leave that on there. Do not take it off. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to take the fat side. There's a skinny side. Take your fat side and you're going to screw it in here. Now, if you want to use this, before you screw that in there, you see you got your fat side there. You're going to take, and it's got like a round thing, and put it right in like this. Okay? Easy as that. Okay, let me show you this again. You're going to connect this on here the way I showed you. This piece here has to go where, when you're putting it on here, make sure your round piece here is on the top piece, and that your button rolling mechanism is on the bottom, because that's going to be where this has to go. So just kind of roll it in like this to secure it. Okay, I'm not going to do it all the way, but just so you get the idea, because it, depending on where you want to put this, how you want to maneuver this around, is how this is going to work. See how that moves it when you move the button here? Okay, and then you attach your lighting, your microphone, whatever you want here. Then you put your lighting, your microphone here. And this piece goes like this, and then you screw this piece in right here. But say you want to extend it, it screws in better than, I'm not going to do it for the video. But anyways, you get another one of these that you will attach to this, just how I showed you how to screw this in. So this will extend over here, and you can put your phone in the middle. You can put a light here, you know, really extend it. You can even add more of these going that way. You can really build this up. You got your removable Bluetooth control, and it goes back when you want to put it on there. You could put your smartphone on here. It's the stick, so you could use it this way if you like, without this on it, with this on it, and use it like a selfie. It's got the button on the bottom, not the button, the screw on the bottom, where you can put it into a tripod of any kind. It doesn't matter. This is very versatile. All these holes that are embedded for your, you know, what you're going to use it for, is all in there for, you know, what things you already have from lighting, microphones, whatever it is. This stuff is good quality. All metal. You know, everything's metal. You can hear it. Okay, give you a close-up. The grip is good. You know, if you're holding it like a selfie. You know, if you want to do it how they have it put here, it's also another good thing. So you could do it like that. So you can build up your little filming, on-the-go filming station any way you want. You know, but it's so easy, pictorial, to put together. I highly recommend this.